this is John of Art and I'm here at Lacson Street. We are doing a mural painting, me and my friends at the Association of Negros Artists in cooperation with the Bacolod City Police. Nahanungod din sa ano ganing nga project nato, sir?
Sa iyaka anti-vandalism, mga campaign sa BCPO. Ginabali ang amon is kandakan naton sang awareness ang mga pamuluyo together sa mga barangay officials naton. Example, kung may mga walls silang may mga bandal, so ang aton nga station 2 together sang BCPO office headquarters ginapintahan nila namon white iwan para at least maging namin la. Nag-invite kami kay Ma'am Joanne sa isang sang Association of
Negros Artists
para at least makakandak sila sa mural, kaya at least namin madala nun natin kay approaching na madala ang MassKara Festival.
MassKara Festival naman.
Maging doon namin, mabla sa mga bisita na pag kanto sa Bacolod, makita nila ang mga walls diya, ang mga namin, proper mabla ang pagpintante sa mga bandal na kalaway lang ako.
Bulig man na doon sa syudad.
Sa mga barangay para makita
sa mga barangay. Sakop din sa Station 2, no?
Oo, sa Barangay 5.
Kag Barangay 5. Madam, mugin nga salamat, Sir Pilar.
Yes, ma'am.
And so this is the project of Bacolod City Police with their mantra, Stronger, PRO 6, Police Regional Office 6. This is the wall before it was painted, and this. So we do this mural for half a day. We started at 6 o'clock in the morning. Well, not really, because at 7 o'clock, well, 6 o'clock is call time, but we showed up at 7, and then it rained. Yung nag-ulan. Pasilong kami diyan eh. And then we waited for half an hour, hoping it will not rain. Hello! Good morning! Kasadya gani. Fortunately, the rain cloud gave us an overcast day, so it's not very hot. So that now it's 12 o'clock, 5 hours later. What can you say about Taguri?
Taguri is the usual term for doing some task for a short period of time, but not the whole day.
Not the whole day. So in other words, half a day.
Half a day somehow.
So half a day's work is called Taguri in Ilonggo. So remember that. Half a day's work is Taguri. Oh, si Julio nag-apas. Ano ang apas sa English man?
Apas is like when your group is here, then you are here, you make apas.
Apas, somebody who catches up. It's the word Dugang. It's an Ilonggo word which in English means additional. So this is not part of the plan anymore. This is just an additional work. So this is our finished creation. A whole block of mural for the City of Smiles. This is John of Art. Like, share, and subscribe. See you in our next video. Bye for now.